So you might be trying to figure out how you can use the satellite emergency SOS mode or emergency SOS satellite mode. Now doing this is very basic, but you want to make sure that you have the plan supported on your iPhone. Only iPhone 14s and above can give you this type of capability. So whether you have the 14, 14 Pro or the 15 Pro or 15, you should be able to do this. It's completely free for 2 years, but keep in mind if your iPhone is approaching 2 years old, this might be a paid feature you may have to do, so you may not even have this even if you have these iPhones anymore. So keep that in mind. Now, the way this works is basically you have your iPhone and you have satellites around you. You can send and receive texts and calls from a satellite rather than using your, regular system. But it is slower. It's not the most ideal thing, and it's really only for emergencies. So they recommend before you're getting off their grid to share your Medicare information and everything like that. Now, the way it works is basically if you're going to get a call or if you're giving a call or if you're texting somebody, basically what you can do is there's going to be a little option that'll basically come up where if it just continuously just keeps failing, if the call keeps failing, there should be an option which allows you to click on yours, do a call via SOS mode or via do a call via satellite mode or text via satellite mode. So to text it, you're gonna have to first text, and if it can't text or if the call won't connect, you can text emergency satellites via SMS mode, and it'll show you here like emergency text. You can click on emergency text, and it will use the satellites. Now, what you can do is you can make your way over into your settings application if you want to try a demo. You can go down to emergency SOS, which is right here, and what you can do is you can basically just scroll down, and you can see this try demo option. So you can click on try demo, and what it's going to do is it's going to walk you through exactly how you can go through and use a satellite. So you can go and click on next, and they recommend you to be outside. You can answer emergency questions, some other things like this too. So it says using a satellite to send and receive messages. So what you can do is you can click on test, and it tells you to temporarily turn off cellular. You can turn it off. What you can do here is that needs to whatever. But what you can do is you can go through and kind of move your phone around, and you should be able to go through and find a satellite around you outside. So that is basically how it works. It's a pretty basic thing, but essentially that's how you can use emergency SOS satellite mode. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.